Imagine a pool that not only enhances your home's aesthetic but also brings the vibrancy of Vegas nights right to your doorstep. The Vegas is exactly that, a masterpiece molded in the timeless Grecian design, equipped with dual entry steps for the ultimate convenience. Whether the sun is setting or the moon is high, your backyard will be the heart of elegance and fun. Designed with safety and accessibility in mind, the Vegas boasts a gentle maximum depth of 5 feet 1 inch, making it perfect for swimmers of all skill levels. It's the ideal place for family fun, where everyone from the little ones to seasoned swimmers can enjoy the water without worry. Don't let the word simple fool you. The Vegas is crafted to impress and provide endless entertainment. With its compact shape of 355 square feet, it's versatile enough to fit into most backyard spaces, offering you the luxury of outdoor living any day of the week. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.